It's Brooke, and then my last name is Bateman, Bateman. We started Malibu Canyon Landscape and Maintenance over 30 years ago. My brother and I were owner-operated, and we have a long history of doing this work. Many of our clients, this job that we're at right now, this is our second home that we've done for them. We have some clients that we've done 3 and 4 homes for these clients. And our emphasis is to create a creative landscape that incorporates not only our ideas, but our customers' ideas, so they have their personal stamp on it. Quality and service at the top of our list. We don't sacrifice that for anything. And at the end of the day, we want a project that's going to last so we can come back 5-10 years later and be proud of what we've done. At Malibu Canyon Landscape and Maintenance, one call does it all. From the dirt, we'll turn your yard into an oasis of your choice. Drainage, sprinklers, the grading, swimming pools, the concrete surfaces, landscape lighting, the planting, patio covers, outdoor kitchens, fire pits, barbecues. If it's outside, we do it. So we take on all types of projects, whether it's a remodel of existing home that's been in for 30 years or a brand new dirt and start from scratch. We have an in-house designer, and that's one of the beautiful things because we design it based on our ideas of quality and maintenance-free and hassle-free project when you're done, along with the creativity and the beauty that comes along with these jobs. The name of our company is Malibu Canyon Landscape and Maintenance, and as the name states, we don't just install it and then walk off. We're in it for the long haul. We maintain it and help keep the true design for years to come and make sure that you can enjoy a hassle-free project. And because we've been in business so long, we're going to be here to take care of it if there's any issues down the road. So Malibu Canyon Landscape and Maintenance was started by my brother and myself over 3 decades ago. And basically we started in our garage. And we wanted to do a quality job where you could call one company to get everything done. And that's what we've done all these years. And we have many repeat clients that as they transition through their life from starter homes to retirement homes, we've done 2, 3, even 4 homes for the same client over the years. So whether you're a brand new home buyer or whether you want to remodel your old home, give us a call. We'd love to come out. We do free estimates. We have a design team on staff. We'll get your ideas and we'll design the backyard of your dreams.
It's David Brooke, D-A-V-I-D. Last name is Brooke, B-R-O-O-K-E. Hi, I'm David Brooke. I'm the designer for Malibu Canyon Landscape and Maintenance. Most of the time when I show up, the homeowners kind of have an idea of what they want. And so what I do is try to incorporate in those designs and those ideas into a workable plan, something that will benefit the homeowners. And I try to design something that ties in the landscape with the home. When I meet with the homeowners, I try to get what they want, and then I go back and come up with preliminary. And when I bring the plan back, I tell them, you can't hurt my feelings. I want something that you guys want, something that'll look good, that will work. Usually when I show up, the homeowners, again, have an idea of what they want. We do our best to really make the landscape unique for the homeowners, for the home itself. And we want to incorporate the surrounding area. If it's near the beach, we'll incorporate water wash boulders. If it's near the desert areas, we'll incorporate cacti and succulents, things like that. But of course, it always comes down to what the homeowners want and what will look good. One thing that I think makes our company very unique is that we have a Hardscape manager, Israel, that's been with the company for 25 years. The guy knows his stuff. He makes our jobs look amazing, and we're grateful to have him with the team. This is a team effort. Brooke, Israel, myself, and a few others. So.